To fight climate change, cities around the world have set ambitious goals to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Toronto's target is net zero emissions by 2050 or sooner. In Toronto, homes and buildings generate more than half of these emissions, mostly because of the way we heat and cool our indoor spaces. To reduce our emissions in a significant way and reach net zero, all of Toronto's buildings need to be renovated, upgraded, and much more efficient by the year 2050. As a homeowner, where do you start? Whether you're ready to make minor improvements to your home or undertake a major renovation, an EnerGuide home evaluation is a great place to start. It will help you identify all of the opportunities to improve the energy efficiency of your home, from quick, easy fixes to more involved improvements. Here are 5 quick wins, the low-cost, low-effort measures that you can likely take right now to get started. 1. Caulking and weather stripping around all windows and doors to seal any gaps that allow air to escape. 2. Upgrade your lighting to high-efficiency LED light bulbs. 3. Choose high-efficient Energy Star certified appliances when replacement is required. 4. Install a smart thermostat. Small adjustments in your home's temperature overnight or during the day can reduce your energy use by 8% or more. 5. Maintain your home's heating and cooling systems. Change the air filters and make sure to clear the ducts of debris and dust. Whether you're focused on quick wins or a major renovation, improving the energy efficiency of your home will reduce greenhouse gas emissions, help to reduce your energy bills, and make your home more comfortable for years to come. Let's open the door to your comfortable, climate-friendly home. To learn more about home energy efficiency and tips on home energy improvements, visit betterhomesto.ca.